A tiny beast Galaxy S9 Mini is coming. The last mini handset launched by Samsung was the Galaxy S5 Mini, which was released in 2014. Now it appears as though Samsung is going to bring back a mini version of its latest flagship phone. That is if a Geekbench listing is legitimate. According to the benchmark test, the Galaxy S9 Mini has a model number of SMG8750, and will feature the Snapdragon 660 mobile platform under the hood. The chipset carries an octa-core CPU and the Adreno 512 GPU. Remember when only flagship models were equipped with 4GB of RAM? The Geekbench test reveals that the Galaxy S9 Mini will come with 4GB of RAM with Android Oreo pre-installed. Since 3 months passed between the release of the Galaxy S5 and Galaxy S5 Mini, we might not see the Galaxy S9 Mini hit the market until June or July. That is assuming that the device benchmarked was really the Galaxy S9 Mini and not a different unreleased Samsung Galaxy phone. These days a mini device means a handset sporting a 5-inch display. We could see the same infinity display on the Galaxy S9 Mini, with an edge-to-edge design and an 18.5:9 aspect ratio. Considering that the Galaxy S9 carries a 3000 mAh battery, perhaps a 2500 to 2750 mAh cell will be found powering the handset. To reiterate, the SMG8750 doesn't necessarily have to be the Samsung Galaxy S9 Mini. If you are hoping that the Mini has returned, you might want to keep your fingers crossed until we find evidence that is more definitive. Would you be interested in a Galaxy S9 Mini with lesser specs than the regular Galaxy S9? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates in future, and also like and share this video.